Today, guys, we're going to get my old toys. Old, not all. My new toys is broken. Then my old toys is not broken. This is my old toys that I made. It's human made. I made it. I made this toy. This is an heart. This is a Beanie cards, a Cat's Eye cards, Eugene's cards. Then I'll get this. When last year I put some stickers on Laden. I put it now like a stars like this. Like an unboxing. But it is not unboxing. Look at that. And inside, I put it some stickers and star. Look at the star that I made. That was it. Then this is all my stickers. All my stickers that I buy. And I was a grade student. Today I will go to the grade 4 student. When I back to the school, I go to be a grade 4 student. Then I miss my teacher when I was a grade 2. Because my teacher, grade 2 is kind. This is scotch tape for using my many handmade toys if they might be broken or scratched. Okay, I'll get back this in here. Get this. My pencil case. This pencil case is my toys. I have a scissors for using to make some toys. And this, and this. That was only what I used for making some handmade toys or human-made toys. And see you. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bye.
Ano pa ko? Nayayay?